Bloody mates. Time to get the chop, chop, chop.
You know those scissors are for food, right?
Shut up.
You can use them, but I'm
Shut up, damn it. Just fucking shut up. Alright, he's a fucking flathead.
Use the knife.
Now we're gonna unbox this. Use a knife?
The samurai sword.
So this not gonna work? You know what? I know what to use. The heavy duty gun tools. I'm gonna whip out the drill for this shit.
Are you gonna whip out the drill to tighten up?
You giving me more shit to do? I'm doing an unboxing video.
Did you start?
Woo! Think we're gonna need this? Ah. Yeah, we're gonna bring out the clips. Since you wanna be an asshole.
How? Just does it for food. You just want to be extra.
Extra, you don't wanna be extra. You know what?
You're recording this.
Motherfucker, I am. Since you wanna be extra, gotta put some light on the box. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be extra as hell. Let's get to work.
Yeah, be careful.
Be here all fucking day if you'd have let me just use that damn knife. Woo!
I did
Oh
take
shit, that was just one piece of tape.
You ever met anyone so extra?
Oh, I paid for these tools, I'm gonna fucking use them.
You did use them.
Use some unnecessary shit. They're gonna be like, what the fuck? That's enough of that shit. Oh yeah. There we go. Got the Pro. I got the Fly More combo. I got some more shit. Yeah, it's nice. Let's see what we got.
Hey, people are
Fuck them.
Stop!
Show the world what we got. Start off here. Should I drill this open?
What you doing?
Do it I want. Oh, that's what I love you, girl. Do what the fuck you want. Got that from the house toys. Woo! Very unnecessary boxing. Oh, I got me a fucking fanny pack. So I can look like them badges. You think I'm gonna use this shit? I doubt it. Alright, this is going on eBay. Be the first to get it. Fucking lunchbox.
Should have left it in the butt.
Alright. This got something I need to use the drill for? Oh yeah, they got me with the clear one too. They was slick. Oh, this thick.
I'm
Man,
so
unnecessary.
tired.
We got the battery charging hub. We got the car charger. I don't need this. I need a truck charger.
Good night.
Battery number 1. Battery number 2. Propeller number 1, 2. Battery. Power bank adapter. A lot of shit, Fuck all this shit. Let's get to the good shit. Think they got tape on this? Oh shit, they just want me to put this to use. Alright, fuck, I ain't gonna do it now. Woo! Here we go. Let's get these tools out the way. Don't need them shits anymore. Oh, this shit feel real. Thought it was gonna feel like cheap. Let's pop these bad boys out. Ooh. Spread the legs. That was easy.
Bad girl. Your boy.
Woo! Go battery number 3 on the back already. Nice. Pull the guts out. Alright, let's drop this down right here. Got the controller. Got the silicone on the back. Alright. Oh yeah. Spreader. Antennas. Ooh, got the pop action. I know what I'm doing tonight. What else we got in here? Alright, a book that I know I'm not fucking reading. Okay. Nice. Okay, the charger. Oh, we got the gel. They always giving the snack out when you know you get some good shit like this. Woo.
A snack?
It's a snack. Alright, what's down here? They got more shit? What's this? More propellers. Oh my gosh. They gave me a lot. They must know I'm gonna fuck this shit up. This is my first drone. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So stay tuned. Watch me fuck this up a few times. Might send this back a few times, but this should be interesting. Drop this here. And yeah, that's the drone. Couldn't wait for this. Turn off the light. Looks amazing. Like everyone else's review. It doesn't feel cheap. Take off the wave cap, because you know as black people we always wear our wave caps. Ooh, look at the gimbal. The gimbal. Oh shit, I'm about to break it. There we go. Oh yeah, that's beautiful right there. Alright. Well, that's all. I will do my in-depth review like everyone else does. I'm gonna just copy off everyone else's shit. Come together with my own shit. Ciao, guys.